Oh, so cute. What are you doing, silly butt? Let me see. Stand up. Whoa, turn around. Oh, so adorable. There's brownies. That don't match her outfit yet, but for 4th of July, we got these. Alright, put that back. Alright, so I got this at Bargain Hunt a while back. I'm having Wes install it. It is the Audi Easy One Touch 3 V2 car, like dashboard phone mount. So I'm gonna have him put that in there for the trip. Put it back, Reagan. Put it back so you don't lose the pieces. Thank you. Look, you already dropped one. Okay, so we are currently in the process of packing for our trip. We're going to North Carolina and Virginia for the next 10 days.
I want my worms.
Sissy found her gummy worms. So we just went to the grocery store and got a bunch of snacks for the trip because we are taking 7 kids. And my husband is taking a separate car because he's going to go to the race and he's got to trailer his Corvette to North Carolina for the race, and it's just gonna be me with 7 kids in the car. So I figured I'd be prepared and just we got like $180 worth of drinks and snacks to take on the trip, not just for on the way up there, but on the way to Virginia and on the way home. So hopefully they'll last us that long. And yeah, that's what we're up to today. I'm gonna show you, I just cleaned out the van, we got all the trash out, I vacuumed it, and now we're gonna start loading it up. Put my little cooler in the back, and then I've got Miss Reagan's bag ready. We're gonna have to come up with names for our foster sons and daughters because people are getting upset for me calling them my foster son and daughter, but I'm not allowed to say their names in my videos, so we're just gonna call him Eli. I'm gonna call him Linus because he likes to carry a blankie around. I'm gonna call him, what should we call him? We're gonna call him Buddy. That's my buddy. So Buddy and Linus's bags. And Sweet. We're gonna call her my sweetie because she's really sweet. So that's my sweetie's bag ready to go. And then here's Reagan's bag. Undies, clothes for 10 days. She's got a bathing suit in here. This is clothes.
Linus, Buddy, and Sweetie.
Here's my buddy's clothes.
Sweetie, Buddy, and Linus.
And my sweetie's clothes.
Linus, Buddy, and Sweetie. That's what we're calling them.
And then Miss Brawley needs to pack. You need to pack. And her sister needs to pack. Yep. And I need to pack my bag. And then we can put them all in the car to go. Alright, so the bus is all cleaned out. I need to run it through the car wash. We live on a dirt road and it's so hard to keep it clean. I've got a few blankets in here. I've got these bags for trash and if anybody gets car sick, because our buddy gets car sick very easily. So we got to keep these in the car for him. Stick those under his seat. And yeah, we're getting there. Just got her trailered. Huh. Alright guys, so I know I look a hot mess. I'm in the back of my van, my bus, excuse me. It did start raining, of course. Here comes Reagan. Sit down right there, don't fall. So I wanted to show you what we're packing for snacks. These are just snacks, not the drinks. I'll show you the drinks next. I'm going to put them in a cooler. But let me show you what I packed as far as snacks. None of this is really healthy, but it'll keep the kids satisfied, you know, on the way. But my mom gave me this bag. I can't remember the brand, but if I can find it, I'll link it below. but it's just for the back of your car or your trunk, and this is super handy to have. I've got some applesauce, some Ritz salt and vinegar, Crisp and Thins, Annie's. These used to say organic, but I guess they're okay. It still says certified organic on the Bunny Grams, but I don't know about the others. But there's 12 snacks in here. The cheddar squares,
And some of this.
cheddar bunnies, and Bunny Grams. Which one? She put her sister's shirt on. It's way too big. We got some butterscotch pudding. Me and my oldest daughter like that. Got her some Takis, like mini Takis. We've got Pop-Tarts. We've got the Chips Deluxe, Cheez-Its, and Fudge Stripe cookies. Graham crackers, Nature Valley, oats and honey granola bars. This is the classic mix of the Nabisco brand. Oreos, Chips Ahoy, Ritz Bits, and Nutter Butter. These are Fruit Roll-Ups, Fruit by the Foot, and Fruit Gushers. And then down here I've got some Black Forest fruit snacks and snack pack pudding cups and some gum. So that's it for our snacks. I did get some bananas and raspberries that I'll bring in tomorrow. They're in the kitchen right now, if they last that long around here. And I've got a bunch of drinks that I'll show you in the cooler later. Alright, so we have luggage for 8 people in here and 2 strollers and food and snacks. All packed up, ready to go. And we got everybody's blanket at their seat. I'm putting the medicine box in now. I've got to put this in the center console. He's getting his car covered. Oh. I've got my diaper bag in here. I actually got this in Costa Rica on our honeymoon. I love this bag. Got some extra napkins. Let me show you my medicine box. This is just an old white container. I've got my Colloidal Silver spray. It's like third spray, or you can really spray it on anything. Medicine cups. These are the kids. One of my sons gets car sick. This is Pepto-Bismol tablets, Highlands Calm and Restful to help them sleep, Children's Allegra. This is triple antibiotic ointment with pain relief, Children's Tylenol, Children's cough syrup. This is the Zarbee's. These are all natural. This one is the Highlands Nighttime Cold and Mucus. And yeah, I think that's everything. And then I'm gonna put my first aid kit back in here, which has all the bandages and things like that that we might need. There's that. And I've got my I've got 2 kids leashes in there as well. My flowers bloomed. Oh, there's a spider. Sweating. Alright, so we have the car packed and ready to go. Now we just got to get the kids in and we can hit the road.
Women, I heard your record, I was laughing at it. Maybe they would like me more if I got a little graphic with it. No, I don't want to blend in with you little rapping idiots. I'd rather be the outcast. I ain't never putting out trash.